In the silent vastness of the cosmos, far beyond the reach of any planet or star, there exist colossal clouds of gas and dust, ancient remnants of long-dead stars. These immense formations are known as nebulae, and within their mysterious folds, the magic of creation begins. For millions of years, a nebula floats almost motionless, suspended in space like a ghostly veil. It may span dozens or even hundreds of light years. Though it seems calm, within its cold, shadowy depths, gravity is slowly at work. Tugging, pressing, gathering particles closer and closer together. Tiny atoms of hydrogen, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe, begin to cluster. As gravity strengthens its grip, a central region forms. It grows denser and hotter over time. This heart of the nebula becomes known as a protostar, the earliest form of what will one day become a shining sun. As the protostar matures, it continues to feed on the material around it, pulling in more gas and dust from the surrounding nebula. The pressure inside builds. Temperatures soar to millions of degrees. The atoms inside are forced together with unimaginable force. Then, in a flash of cosmic ignition, nuclear fusion begins. Hydrogen atoms fuse to create helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy. This is the moment of true birth. The star begins to shine, not just from reflected light, but from its own powerful energy. It pushes against gravity with equal strength, achieving a delicate balance. This balance will last for most of its life. The surrounding cloud glows with light from the newborn star. It casts shadows, sends shockwaves, and reshapes the nebula that once cradled it. Around the star, a rotating disk of leftover material begins to flatten and swirl. This dusty, gaseous disk holds the seeds of something more: planets, moons, asteroids, and more. It is the beginning of an entire solar system. Over thousands of years, chunks of material within the disk collide and merge. Some form rocky planets. Others remain frozen or gaseous. But all owe their existence to the birth of the star at the center. Depending on how much material was in the original nebula, stars can be small, dim red dwarfs, or enormous, blazing blue giants. Smaller stars like our sun burn steadily for billions of years. Larger stars burn brighter and faster, living intense but shorter lives. Regardless of size or brightness, every star's journey begins in the same quiet darkness. Eventually, the powerful light and heat from the new star push the surrounding cloud away, blowing apart the nebula that gave it life. What remains is a glowing sphere of fusion, a brilliant beacon in the universe, shining for all to see. This process, though invisible to the human eye in real time, happens all across the universe, even now. Every point of light in the night sky tells a similar story. From nothingness and chaos comes structure, beauty, and light. The birth of a star is more than just a physical event. It's a cosmic transformation, a journey from silence to song, from shadow to brilliance. And while we may never witness one in person, we live under their glow. Warmed by a star that formed billions of years ago in a nebula of its own. Each star is a time capsule, carrying the legacy of its creation. They tell us that everything we see, everything we are, came from stardust, born in the heart of a nebula. Shaped by time and forces we can only begin to understand. As stars continue to form in the vast reaches of space, they remind us of the boundless potential that exists in the universe. Every new star is a symbol of the endless possibilities that await in the dark corners of space. They are the architects of the cosmos, shaping the fate of galaxies, solar systems, and everything within them. Stars are not just points of light, they are the heartbeat of the universe. Without them, there would be no light, no warmth, and no life. They are the cosmic forges where the very elements that make up planets, people, and all life are born. Through the birth of each star, the universe continues its grand, eternal dance. So, the next time you look up into the night, remember, every star you see began its life in the cold heart of a nebula. Shaped by gravity, pressure, and time. Their stories are written in light, and their beginnings are nothing short of miraculous. And in every flicker of starlight, we see the echoes of their incredible journey, stretching across time and space. And even long after a star dies, it gives life once more. Greater than, if you enjoyed this journey through the birth of stars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the universe, one breathtaking story at a time.